Hello and welcome to How To Automotive's New Tool Thursdays. Today we're featuring a 50-piece master impact set of sockets made by VIM Tools. This particular set is very handy for working with European vehicles. They have all the triple squares, torque bits, and Allen bits that are most commonly used on European vehicles. And the one thing I like about them is they're in a complete set like this. Most tool companies have them in smaller sets that when you add them all up together, it costs you a lot more money. So big props to VIM Tools for putting the set together like this to make it affordable. Another great feature of these tools are they're designed to work with impact tools. So I am using it to remove some brake caliper bolts here. So if you want to work on European cars, this is a great set. Like I said, these are the most commonly used sockets on European vehicles. They're made to work with impact tools. So if you take a look at this Mercedes here, all the suspension bolts are triple square. So if you're going to work on European vehicles, this is a great set for you guys to invest in. I will leave a link for it in the description of the video. I'm Brian Nessa from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.